Hello, good day! Now, we will teach you how to create a basic stick animation using Macromedia Flash 8. Sit back and enjoy!
Click Macromedia Flash 8 and click Flash Document. Click the oval tool and click the selection tool and change the color into red. And click Insert Blank Keyframe to frame 45. Click Text tool and type any name you want. Ctrl B. Click it to the center and change the twin into shape. Enjoy your Flash. Click Macromedia Flash 8. Click Flash Document and click Text tool into the toolbar and make any word or name you want. After that, Ctrl B and right click and distribute to layers. Click frame 30 and hold the mouse downward until you reach the last, and do it the same at frame 60. After it, click frame 30 at layer 1 and scatter the layers. And also do that at other layers and create motion blur. And after that, click 30 to 60 frame and create a motion film. Do it all frames. After you do that, you may now press it and press Ctrl Enter to run it. That's all.